The luxury vehicle world is changing fast, and the future is no longer just about sports cars or giant SUVs. A new kind of beast is taking over the roads, a vehicle built for comfort, technology, and first-class travel on every journey. Introducing the 2027 Toyota Alphard, a next-generation luxury MPV that aims to transform the way families, executives, and travelers experience mobility. But the big question is, can this premium people mover truly redefine the meaning of luxury? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring everything you need to know about the 2027 Toyota Alphard, from its futuristic design and premium interior to its intelligent technology, performance, and the features that could make it one of the most impressive luxury MPVs on the market. The first thing you notice about the 2027 Alphard is its road presence. This is not just a regular family van. Toyota has transformed the exterior into something far more dramatic, with a powerful front design, a larger signature grille, and sharp LED lighting that gives the vehicle a confident and futuristic identity. Every angle feels carefully designed. The smooth body surfaces improve aerodynamic efficiency, while the refined character lines create a premium appearance that looks more like a luxury flagship than a traditional MPV. The front lighting signature gives the Alphard a high-tech personality, almost like it's announcing that the next generation of transportation has arrived. From the side profile, the long body shape highlights its spacious cabin, while the elegant proportions balance practicality with sophistication. The sliding doors add convenience, but they also enhance the feeling of entering a private luxury lounge. This is a vehicle designed not just to move people, but to make every arrival feel special. Step inside the 2027 Alphard, and the experience changes completely. The cabin feels less like a vehicle interior and more like a premium travel suite. Toyota focuses heavily on comfort, using high-quality materials, refined finishes, soft-touch surfaces, and carefully placed ambient lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. The spacious layout gives passengers plenty of room to stretch out, making long-distance journeys much more enjoyable. But the real highlight is the second-row experience. The executive-style seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering advanced adjustments, reclining functions, leg support, heating, ventilation, and premium relaxation features. Passengers can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride, while the Alphard quietly moves through the city or cruises on the highway. Whether it's a business trip, a family vacation, or daily transportation, the cabin is built to make every passenger feel like they're traveling first class. Luxury today is not only about materials, it's about intelligence. The 2027 Alphard introduces a more connected driving experience with advanced digital displays, a modern infotainment system, and smart connectivity features. The driver gets a clear digital instrument display with important information always within view. The central touchscreen provides access to entertainment, navigation, vehicle controls, and smartphone integration. Wireless connectivity, fast charging options, USB-C ports, voice commands, and software updates help keep the Alphard ready for the future. For rear passengers, the experience becomes even more impressive. Large entertainment screens, premium audio, and convenient controls allow passengers to enjoy movies, music, or even work while traveling. The cabin becomes more than transportation. It becomes a mobile living space. A luxury vehicle needs more than style. It needs effortless performance. The 2027 Toyota Alphard is expected to offer advanced powertrain options, including an upgraded hybrid system designed to deliver a balance between performance and efficiency. The hybrid technology combines gasoline power with electric assistance, creating smoother acceleration while helping reduce fuel consumption. Instead of aggressive power delivery, the Alphard focuses on refinement, giving passengers a quiet, comfortable, and stable ride. It's not trying to be the fastest vehicle on the road. It's designed to make every journey feel effortless.
Toyota continues its focus on safety with advanced driver assistance technology. The 2027 Alphard is expected to include a wide range of intelligent safety systems designed to support both drivers and passengers. Features may include adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alerts, and smart traffic recognition systems. These technologies work together like an extra pair of eyes, helping drivers handle unexpected situations with greater confidence. Because true luxury is not just about comfort, it's about feeling protected wherever the road takes you. Many luxury vehicles look impressive, but forget everyday convenience. The Alphard takes a different approach. Its sliding doors make entering and exiting easier, especially in tight spaces. Flexible seating arrangements allow owners to adjust the cabin depending on their needs. Need passenger comfort? No problem. Need extra cargo room? The interior can adapt. This flexibility makes the Alphard not only appealing for families, but also for business users and professional transportation services. It's a luxury vehicle that understands real-world demands. The 2027 Toyota Alphard represents a new era of premium transportation. It combines the comfort of a luxury lounge, the technology of a modern smart vehicle, and the practicality of a family-focused machine. With its bold styling, advanced hybrid performance, intelligent safety features, and first-class interior, the Alphard proves that the future of luxury is not only about speed or size. Sometimes the ultimate luxury is simply arriving relaxed. So, could the 2027 Toyota Alphard become one of the most desirable luxury MPVs of the future? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and join us for more futuristic car reviews, upcoming vehicle launches, and the latest automotive innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.